Window installation is a critical aspect of home improvement. Properly installed windows not only enhance your home's appearance but also improve energy efficiency, increase comfort, and add value to your property. However, when done incorrectly, window installation can lead to a host of problems, from drafts and leaks to structural damage. If you live in Taylor and are considering new windows, here are some common installation mistakes and how to avoid them to ensure you get the most from your investment. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent mistakes in window installation is incorrect measurements. Windows that don't fit properly can lead to gaps, air leaks, and water infiltration. This not only affects your home's energy efficiency but can also result in costly repairs down the line. How to avoid it? Always double-check your measurements before ordering windows. Measure the width and height of the window opening at multiple points to account for any irregularities. It's also wise to work with a professional who has experience in precise window measurements. Improper sealing. Sealing is critical for preventing air and water leaks around your windows. Unfortunately, many DIY installers or inexperienced contractors fail to apply the correct type or amount of sealant. Over time, this can lead to drafts, increased energy bills, and even water damage. How to avoid it? Use high-quality caulk or sealant specifically designed for windows and doors. Ensure all gaps are properly sealed, paying special attention to corners and edges. If you're not confident in your sealing skills, hire a professional installer who understands the nuances of proper sealing techniques. Skipping the flashing. Flashing is a thin layer of waterproof material that directs water away from the window and prevents leaks. Neglecting to install flashing or installing it incorrectly is a common mistake that can lead to significant water damage over time. How to avoid it? Always include flashing as part of your window installation process. Use materials recommended by the manufacturer and follow installation guidelines carefully. If you're unsure, consult a professional who can ensure the flashing is installed correctly. Improper insulation. A properly insulated window frame is essential for maintaining energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Many installers use too little insulation or skip this step entirely, leading to drafts and energy loss. How to avoid it? Use expanding foam insulation or similar materials to fill gaps around the window frame. Be careful not to overfill, as this can distort the frame and affect the operation of the window. A professional installer will know how to strike the right balance. Using the wrong tools or materials. Installing windows without the proper tools or materials can result in poor workmanship and reduced longevity of your windows. For instance, using nails instead of screws can lead to a less secure fit, while using low-quality materials can compromise the installation. How to avoid it? Invest in the right tools and materials for the job. If you're not equipped to handle the installation properly, it's best to hire an experienced contractor in Taylor who has access to professional-grade tools and high-quality materials. Ignoring manufacturer guidelines. Window manufacturers provide detailed installation instructions to ensure their products perform as intended. Ignoring these guidelines or cutting corners can void warranties and lead to installation issues. How to avoid it? Always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This includes recommendations for tools, materials, and installation techniques. If you're hiring a contractor, make sure they are familiar with the specific requirements of your chosen windows. Failing to check local building codes. Building codes vary from one area to another and often include specific requirements for window installation, such as egress standards for bedrooms. Failing to comply with these codes can lead to fines, failed inspections, or safety concerns. How to avoid it? Research local building codes in Taylor or consult a professional who is familiar with the area's regulations. A reputable contractor will ensure your installation meets all legal requirements. Rushing the installation. Window installation is a precise task that requires attention to detail. Rushing through the process often leads to mistakes such as misaligned windows, uneven frames, or incomplete sealing. How to avoid it? Take your time and follow each step carefully. If you're hiring a contractor, choose one with a reputation for quality workmanship rather than speed. Remember, a thorough installation ensures better performance and fewer problems in the long run. Why hire a professional in Taylor? While some homeowners may be tempted to tackle window installation as a DIY project, the process is more complex than it appears. Hiring a professional installer in Taylor ensures your windows are measured, sealed, and installed correctly, saving you time, money, and stress. Professionals also offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind that any issues will be addressed promptly. Final thoughts. Avoiding common window installation mistakes is essential for ensuring your home in Taylor remains comfortable, energy efficient, and protected from the elements. Whether you're replacing a single window or upgrading all the windows in your home, attention to detail and proper technique are key. By taking the time to measure accurately, seal properly, and follow manufacturer guidelines, you can enjoy the full benefits of your new windows for years to come. If you're unsure about tackling the project yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted window installation professional in Taylor. Their expertise will ensure your investment is installed correctly and performs flawlessly.